In this tutorial, you'll learn how to close a customer account. The ability to close an account depends on your user roles and permissions. If you've determined that you will no longer be doing business with a customer, you can close their account in Kaui. If the customer has any unpaid invoices, you can either write off or item adjust them. When you close an account, the account is not deleted. It only indicates that the account is no longer a customer of yours. The account data becomes read-only, and you cannot make changes to it. To close an account, open the account on the account page. Next to the account information, click Close. Kaui displays the Close Account pop-up. Check the name and account ID fields to ensure you are closing the correct account. Then toggle any of the options that apply. Cancel all subscriptions stops any subscriptions that are current for this account. Write off unpaid invoices brings the balance for all unpaid invoices to 0. When you write off the invoice, it is removed from account receivables. And Item Adjust Unpaid Invoices adds an invoice line item with a negative amount to bring each unpaid invoice's balance to 0. The last two options are mutually exclusive, so you can only select one of them. Now you can click the Close button. Kaui displays a message that lets you know the account was closed, and the submenu will also display Closed. For more information about Kaui and Kill Bill, visit killbill.io.